The old Africa Twin is back. She's been in hibernation for some time. She needs a little bit of work, needs some TLC, but I figured today I would just take her for a quick blast out. Brakes are spongy. But the old classic, the XRV750, people. I wanted to take it out, make sure she's running well. So yeah, here she is. I think it's 2001. It's not all original. You can see I've cut the fairing there. It used to be just plastics. It's already having an aftermarket fairing on the front. Like I said, I've ridden this bike for 6 months maybe. It was out of commission and I've had the T7 for 3 or 4 months now, so I've just been riding that. This is kind of just sat. I had it up for sale. I've just realised what this is perfect for. This is your absolute perfect touring bike. I mean, I did 6,000 Ks on it last year in Oman. There was lots of off-road. Unfortunately, I didn't film that trip, but I've got a few pictures of it, obviously. But it is just so comfortable. The engine is so smooth. And, you know, you can sit on this thing. It's like sitting on your armchair at home. It is so comfy, and it will just go for miles comfortably. God, it's taken me to get back on it and just ride it down the highway to realise how much I love the thing, and I can't believe I nearly sold it. There's the sun going down. So the only thing I've noticed about this is it's idling slightly high, but then it seems to drop back down. But again, all teething problems I would have thought couldn't be sorted out. Yeah, that's it. See that? I think you can hear it's idling high, even when I'm off the power. Look at that for a sunset. What a treat though, what a treat. That suspension is just so bouncy. So yeah, I think that what I'll probably do, use it to do some long trips, you know, some road trips. We do a lot over here in Oman, you know, crossing the border, camping trips, you know, lots of road miles, and it's very easy to do on this bike. Put those lights on. I've got some auxiliary lights on it, and obviously Sam is going to use it and learn to ride a road bike. It might be a bit too big for her, to be honest. What I mean by that is it might be a bit too, she's probably about the right height for it, but it might just be a little bit too big. She's used to riding, she's ridden dirt bikes, pit bikes, but although this is big, it's not exactly powerful, so it's not a bad place to start with regards to learning. It's just old technology, simple stuff, smooth power delivery. Ah, here's the road, and I'm a big fan. So anybody who's thinking about buying a, I don't know, RD07, XRV750, old style Africa Twin in 2024, my advice is go and bloody get one. They're becoming more rare, but they are just awesome, an awesome all-rounder. And you can pick them up, I say cheap, for what they are, 4,000 for a nice example in the UK, which, you know, I suppose isn't that cheap really, but for a 20 odd year old bike or older. But you're buying a piece of history, my guys and girls. So yeah, that's that.